Alright, let's get the F-15 with some flickering here, for those of you wondering. Well, everybody's asking about it, so why not show it, right?
Takeoff flaps.
Oh, beautiful landing. Dude!
Which one?
Oh, Sean.
Oh.
Gregory.
Oh, Greg, yeah. It was perfect, wasn't it?
Yeah!
Alright, going up.
China cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
Oh, yeah, baby. You gotta get the F-14. You will enjoy the
Oh, hell yeah.
crap out of that plane.
It's windy up there.
Yeah? Oh, those lights really, really work.
I've flown my F-15 in pitch black. Whoa, there we go.
Oh, there we go. If you hadn't pulled it over like that,
It would have fallen off. I had to pull it.
Yeah.
It's hard to see over there.
I can see it. That was flashing in the front really.
I can turn them off.
No, I like that.
Oh.
The flashing in the front and the green,
Yeah.
it's a complete definition of
Right,
where,
of where it is and what it's doing. Yeah. Yeah. Ready? I'm gonna cut in close sooner this time, but I'll do it.
That's fine. I just want to get a picture of you with a burner. Wow, that is
Time remaining 1 minute.
goes by so fast.
Yeah, it does. It's not slow. May not catch it.
Briefly.
Go away, mosquito.
Huh?
Said, go away, mosquito.
So it's gonna rain next weekend, huh?
That's what I'm seeing.
Alright. Maybe.
Well, I mean, we might get one day if it's not
Saturday?
clearing out. Saturday or Sunday.
30 seconds.
Just gonna be safe.
Gear down.
Yeah.
Get the gear down.
Yeah. So how's that gyro working?
Good.
Compared to Lemon, what do you think?
I like the fact that I can adjust individually on the Lemon,
10 landing
but
flaps.
all I got to
9,
do is
8,
get the higher end,
7,
and it'll be good.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
But it's working good. I mean,
Time
only time I
expired.
notice is is in a crosswind,
Flaps
because
up.
it bounces around where the Lemon wouldn't, and that's just a gain adjustment. That's all. Yeah, and I adjusted rudder on mine on the Lemon, and it would keep it from bouncing. Because the rudder will make it roll.
Yeah.
So if I
F-22 today, I was doing some weird stuff.
did you do those weird snaps with the rudder?
Yeah. It'll just like whoop.
Yeah.
And if you come in with the right momentum and you hit it, then you go up, and then as it's going up, you roll.
Yeah, and it does
rudder
this.
it,
Yeah,
will just
it does this
like-
weird flop.
At one point, I thought it would like dislodge my battery from the.
Because it was snapping
It
so
was
hard.
Really bad. It was like really
Oh.
hard.
Right. Flicker time. Hey, everybody wants to see it. There you go. Yes, it does flicker. And even when you get to full, it does a little flicker there, see? All right, you can close that. Yes, there it is, flicker. Everybody's worrying about flicker. Yes, it does flicker. All right, man. I'll see you next time.